Okay, this is the beast. Got to the point now where the tool rest is mounted off the side. Speed control is actually in. So let's see what happens when we do this. We get a green light and it's turning. Lift this up a bit. Now we are belting around. That washers because the thread's not right for the faceplate. The faceplate is down here. We'll take that piece of stone off. That's what we're going to be mounting, a piece of alabaster. All ready to go on the end of there. Have to move the tool rest first. So far, so good.